Good morning. Welcome to your daily weather briefing at 10 a.m. We have some foggy conditions out there this morning. We also had some showers and moved through last night. We're going to have some showers and possibly a slight chance of a thunderstorm for this afternoon as an upper level low and a weak area of surface low pressure moves overhead. But with that, we'll also have some warmer temperatures, possibly seeing temperatures in the lower 70s across the central portion of the Delmarva Peninsula, and may even reach 70 here if we get this fog to deteriorate for the afternoon hours. Across region yesterday, we did see temperatures a little bit cooler or below average for this time of year. Should be in the mid-60s. Saw 62 here at Wallops. Salisbury and Baltimore were the warm spots at 64. Most other locations in the upper 50s to lower 60s. Last night saw temperatures drop into the lower 50s to the mid-50s in general. Here at Wallops we were 56. Ocean City was the cool spot at 52. And we did see some precipitation across the region in the last 24 hours. Here at Wallops we were the loser, if you call it that, at 0.08 of an inch. So we saw the least amount of precipitation across the region, while the big winner was at Richmond at over an inch at 1.07 inches of rainfall. Saw a heavier band of showers just off our coast last night that kind of missed us and didn't provide us with the heavier rain we were possibly expecting for last night. As of 9 a.m. this morning, we're seeing variable conditions across the Mid-Atlantic region with anywhere from light rain to fog to cloudy conditions. Temperatures in the lower 60s to the upper 50s. Here at Wallops as of 9 a.m. we saw 61 degrees with cloudy skies. 12Z sounding from this morning. Our freezing level is at 10,400 feet. Our winds are fairly light in the low levels out of the south at 7 knots. Seeing our winds increase with height today, seeing a 12,000 feet a southerly wind at 28 knots, and then seeing our winds increase up to 31 knots out of the south-southwest at 25,000 feet. Our surface analysis as of 12Z this morning, we have this warm front / stationary boundary starting to move through our region and north of our region. That's providing us with the fog. Once that finally does move north of the region, we should see a better chance of breaking out of the fog. Area low pressure tracking over and towards our region for the afternoon hours. That's going to provide us with the forcing to see some showers and possibly a thunderstorm. Here's our surface observations this morning, as well as our infrared satellite and radar. You can see these showers starting to develop across the western portions of Virginia and North Carolina this morning. It's going to be trying to move towards our region, and we'll have additional showers popping out in front of that area low pressure. Not really seeing much on the infrared satellite this morning, as these are low clouds and they are warm, so it's more difficult to see them on the infrared satellite, but we do have a good amount of cloud cover off to our south and also off to our west that'll be moving through our region for today. Our Wednesday midday planner will have this area low pressure over the Delmarva Peninsula that's going to provide us with those chances of showers and a possibly chance of a thunderstorm. Our best chance of showers are going to come after 3 o'clock today and last until about 11 o'clock tonight as this area low pressure slowly moves through the region. For our Wednesday night, we'll have a weak cold front move through behind this area low pressure. That's going to providing us with northwesterly winds behind the area of cold front and low pressure for our Thursday morning, and they could be slightly breezy at times. Could see winds gusting up near 18 knots for our Thursday morning. We'll have another system quickly moving through the southeast states for our Thursday. That's going to provide us with some upper level cirrus cloudiness for our Thursday afternoon and a chance of rainfall for our Friday morning and possibly into the Friday afternoon time period. This prog chart here lingers those showers and even a thunderstorm for our Friday afternoon. This system has been very poorly forecasted, by the forecast models. And the placement of that low pressure system moving through Friday morning will depict or create our weather for our Friday morning with either showers or even possibly a thunderstorm. This map here is depicting the possibility of thunderstorms, but right now it looks like we would only have a slight chance of a thunderstorm Friday morning with a better chance of just some showers. Looking at our risk chart for today, we'll have chances of precipitation after 3 o'clock or 1500 local through the evening hours. We'll have a chance of some lightning with The thunderstorms in the region from about 1,500 local to 2,200 local will be the best chances, with a 20% chance of that occurring. I have those ceilings in here this morning with the fog and the lower visibilities out there are red for those ceilings. Could be seeing that in the afternoon, but expecting those ceilings to rise above 500 feet and the visibility to be greater than a mile during the afternoon hours. Other than that, we're just going to see a green chart throughout the time period. Our winds will be low 25 knots. So looking at the big weather maker today, just those chances of showers and a slight chance of a thunderstorm. Our 24-hour terminal forecast, currently we do have a quarter-mile visibility with fog out there. We'll have that as a likely scenario from now till noon. Overall, we should be seeing a broken deck at 800 feet, overcast deck at 1,500 feet. Lower visibilities with some mist out there. After we get towards the noon time period, we should see those skies starting to clear and that fog burn off. I'm looking at a general sky coverage of broken at 1,000 feet, broken at 4,000 feet, broken at 25,000 feet. A likely scenario, we go partly cloudy. And then we move into the mid-afternoon hours, into the evening hours, we'll see an increase of mid-level cloud cover, as well as a chance of some showers and a slight chance of thunderstorms. Move into Thursday morning, we'll just see a broken deck at 20,000 feet, overcast deck at 25,000 feet with that upper level cirrus cloudiness building in from the system moving over the southeast states. Our high today will be around 70 with a low tonight of 52 degrees. Looking at Thursday and Friday, we'll see Thursday partly cloudy to mostly cloudy and pleasant, high of 68 degrees with a green chart. And for Thursday night, we'll see mostly cloudy to overcast skies, a chance of rain showers and a slight chance of a thunderstorm, a low of 51 degrees, yellow for precip winds and our SIGs. And then for Friday, we'll see mostly cloudy skies, a chance of showers and a slight chance of a thunderstorm in the morning and early afternoon, then partly to mostly cloudy in the late afternoon evening. We'll see a high of 66 degrees on Friday, a yellow for precipitation, and for our winds at or greater than 25 knots. As I mentioned before, that system on Thursday night into Friday has been poorly forecasted, so we'll keep an eye on the trends within the models. Looking at the next 7 days, we're going to have 70 degrees today for a high, and that is if that fog does clear for a long enough time period this afternoon. If it does stick around, we'll most likely be in the mid-60s, but I do expect it to burn off for a time period during the afternoon hours. We'll have a chance of those showers as well with that upper level system moving through. Tonight we'll see a low of 52 degrees. A fairly nice day on Thursday. Going to see more of the partly cloudy skies in the morning, becoming mostly cloudy to possibly overcast during the afternoon with the cirrus increasing and lowering during the afternoon hours, a high of 68 degrees. Friday we're going to have those AM showers, a slight chance of a thunderstorm, a high of 66. And then Saturday looks like a very nice day. We'll have a dry cold front moving through that's going to allow us to have moderating temperatures before that cold front does move through the region. Seeing a high of 70 degrees on Saturday with partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies, so a beautiful spring day on Saturday. Then Sunday we'll have a slightly cooler air mass moving the region with a strong area high pressure building down from the Great Lakes, a high of 62. Monday we'll see a high of 64, and then Tuesday we'll have a warming trend beginning across the eastern portion of the United States, a high of 72 on Tuesday, and then Wednesday and Thursday look even warmer with temperatures possibly approaching the upper 70s to lower 80s some locations in the Atlantic on Tuesday. On middle of next week. That'll complete our weather briefing this morning. We'll be back tomorrow morning at 8:15 and at 10 a.m.